In this video, we are going to learn how to generate profit or loss, department and division wise report. For this, first we have to log into our Fresa software. Then click on Accounts module. Here select Profit and Loss Reports. Choose Profit and Loss, Department or Division. Here we have to select Department and Division and then select the date range. And then click on Submit. The report will be displayed on the screen. You can download the report by selecting Download option. I hope you got an idea about how to generate profit or loss, department and division wise report. Thank you for watching.